Alright, very effective storage space. Look at this. 2 vertical boards. All 1x4s. Then a cross piece at each shelf height. Then across, you can line it. These actually happen to be 1x6s, finished pine, lined across. And then you build it as many segments as you wanted. This is just 2 segments. Another one. You build the vertical pieces first. You build them like a ladder. As you can see, it'll just look like a ladder with each of those supports being a rung. You build all the vertical pieces, like this center one needs to have rungs on either side. You build the vertical pieces and then you put the horizontal pieces in, which are the shelves that give it the support. And then to anchor it to the wall, you just find a stud and drive a screw through it. That simple.